Mrs. Deidre Seymour, who is our Readable English teacher, and she has been with Immaculate Conception for 6 years and in the diocese for over 20, or almost 17. And so, Ms. Seymour, tell me about the evolution of student reading here at Immaculate Conception, especially integrating such items as accelerated reader for the students beginning in preschool.
Yes, we have accelerated reader that we use for our students beginning, I believe, in kindergarten. And we have goals that we set, individual goals for each student, each quarter of the school year. And then if they reach those goals, you know, it's kind of exciting for us. And then as we move on, they get each semester, we kind of expand their goals for the AR.
Right.
We're using it in the 5th grade as well. We use it in the 8th grade. We still read books here. We don't just read excerpts. We read the entire book. Right now we're reading a class story in the 5th grade. We're going to be making cranes next week. So the kids have independent reading, we have class reading, and then for our struggling readers, we're using Readable English, which is a program that we are piloting in the Mid-South. And what Readable English is, it's a glyph-based innovative program where there's 21 glyphs, the students learn them, and the glyphs make a sound. And so when you convert any type of reading to Readable English, we have certain things that help the students read, helps them decode, it helps them with their fluency.
So Ms. Seymour, tell me about the students who might not have English as their primary language or those that struggle with English fluency. How does Readable English help them?
Well, with the middle school students, I stay after school a few days a week and help them learn the Readable English, because right now, since we're piloting it, we're learning it from the younger students all the way through the middle school. I have some students in the older grades where we just have a few key students. Maybe they're English learners, maybe they're students who struggle with a learning disability, and they are able to kind of take a few minutes out of the day, at the end of the day, and we really hone in on Readable English.
I can't thank you enough for your dedication, obviously taking your own private time to help students who have that need, but it's obvious Immaculate Conception Cathedral School is the place to be, wouldn't you say?
I would say so. Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.